Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is Mohsin Ahmad Siddiqui and I am from Army Public School and College Faisal, Karachi. I am going to teach you computer
for class 7.
and the book we will be following eSkills Learner Level
7.
and today we will be studying Module 1 Learning
Collecting information.
and our topic is
Introduction to database. So today our objective is we will learn creating our database. Explanation of database. Student, this is our new topic today, and this topic we will learn about how to create a database and also format as table. Before we move on to our this new topic, we can understand that what is the data and what is information. So data is not verified and we cannot depend on it, but the information, it's verified and always checked. So now it's time to create your own database. First thing you have to do is decide what kind of information you want to include. Think of the characteristics you want to collect for each record and give them a title or a field name. Although there are various programs for database management, you can use Microsoft Excel to create your database table in a very simple way. Take a look. A method is, let's create an address book database of your friends' information. The field names are to create a table. This is the procedure or method you can create your table. So open an empty spreadsheet. Number 1 point is type the database field names horizontally in different cells from A1 to F1. Remember, A1 and F1 is the cell number. So step number 2 is you have to select A1 to F1, and number 3 point is click the bold button to make the title stand out. If you want to bold by shortcut, you can press Ctrl+B from keyboard. Now add one more record for each of our friends. Every record must have information about 6 different fields shown here. To create a table, first of all, take a look. This is our point number 1. This location you will write a name, telephone, home address, email address, birthday and hobby. This is our horizontally cells. Look here, this is our A and this is our 1. A, B, C. Alphabets belongs to columns and 1, 2, 3 counting are belongs to rows. So the cell number exactly is A1, like B1, C1. Look at that alphabet and look at their row number. So D1, E1. So this type you can select A1 to F1. Now click bold button to make the title stand out. See here, B. This is your bold option. On home tab you can click. Whenever you select this field, just click the B button, which is bold option. Ctrl+B is the shortcut of bold. You must have information about 6 different fields shown here, like from this point number 4 is here Stella, Tom, Kim, Marco, Lisa, Alex. This all are different names and this all are different records. So students, let's see the practical implementation and create an address book. First of all, you have to open Microsoft Excel, a spreadsheet program. Create an address book database of your friends' information. The field names, name, telephone, home address, email address, birthday and hobby. Now type the database field names horizontally in different cells from A1 to F1. Select A1 to F1. Click the bold button and you can also press Ctrl+B, the shortcut of bold, from keyboard. to make the title stand out like this. Now add one more record of each of our friend. Every record must have information about the 6 different fields shown in your book, and it will look like that. English computer scientist who invented the relational model for database management in 1970s while working for IBM. What about IBM? IBM stands for International Business Machine. His theory is the basic for relational database and data management. Now it's time to format a table. Look at the procedure here. Whenever you apply a table style, first of all you select your old table, which is from A1 to F7. Number 2, on the home tab in the styles group, click format as table. Number 1 point is shown here and number 2 is here. Whenever you click on format as table, it will show you a styles which you like or you want and you are required. So select a style you like. Let's select one in the medium group. So format table window, select my table as a header. On number 4 and number 5 you can see number 4 point is you can select and check the box of my table as a header, and number 5 is whenever you click OK, it will highlight your header area, which is from A1 to F1. So your table has a new style and the program knows that the titles are field headers. Student, if you want to add another friend letter, you can simply start typing here. The new information on the first empty row under the data, and Microsoft Excel will recognize it's a new record and include it in a table like that. You can see the line here. All information in a database must relate to the same topic. For example, you cannot have the information about sports in an animal database. So students, now that your database information is ready, format it with a style your choice to make Microsoft Excel understand it's a database table. So apply a table style. First of all, you have to select your table from cell A1 to F7 like this. Right? Now number 2, on the home tab in the styles we have a cell styles here. Click format as a table. Now select a style you like I have select this style. So a small window and appear, and which is where is the data of your table. In the format as table window, select my table as a headers. Okay, my table as a headers. Okay, and click OK. Now you can see your table has a new style and the program knows the titles are field header like this. If you want to uncheck Tom, it will raise the record in the table. Whenever you want to add Tom record, you can just check out the Tom here and click OK. So it will show the data again. If you want to add another field letter, you can simply start typing the new information on the first empty row, like I have typed Mohsin here. Now you can see it can add it in the table, and also you can type other information like that. So understand students, this is how you to create a data in a simple way on Microsoft Excel. Student, this is our task, that this is our hand-on activity. Now you can create your own database about music. Choose your favorite music artist or band and search web for their discography. Discography information about all the albums and artists or bands has ever released, create a database with the following fields: album, title, date release, top chart, position, album sold. Students, if you find any query during to solving this, so you can visit my Facebook page and visit YouTube channel, and this is especially made for you. Last and but not the least, stay safe and stay home and listen to your parents. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.